It turns a massive field into clean rows with industrial precision. This is Thor's cousin. He works snow shifts. Logs become useful. What would you say is the largest load we can handle? Would you dare stand under this water blast? A true backsaver on the job. This thing runs with next-level future-style efficiency. Build a staircase? The operator says, "Leave it to me." This electric tension wrench makes hard work feel easy. Why don't we have awesome machines like this around here? Careful mode was on, but the task still said, "Not today." Every move he makes screams, "Relax, guys. A pro is here." The kitchen suddenly became his stage to shine. That's a satisfying way to take things apart. Bad tech, big wreck. Master degree on lifting weights, but Rock versus machine. The rocks don't stand a chance. Do you think robots could completely replace humans in workshops and factories someday? That old bridge had history, but this machine has power. This underwater welding footage is absolutely mind-blowing. This tomato harvester can process up to 20 tons of tomatoes per hour, making it ideal for high-efficiency harvesting on large farms. He tried to lift that load, but the forklift said, "Bro, I'm not built for this." That's exactly how I want my fish served. But he forgot one crucial thing: lowering the lift.
Guck dir das mal an. Guck mal, der gibt. Guck mal.
The truck drove forward and the hay said, "I'm out of here." Destruction seems to be in some people's DNA.
Look, my spiral staircase over even.
His can-do spirit is fighting his can't-do skills. Tree spade on an excavator, basically a valet service for plants. Maybe they'll finish the job in a few more days.
Hai mất mà thả thằng lợn đúng không? Đó.
A true illustration of on-site awkwardness. cutting with style. Fast, clever, and oddly hypnotic. Thank you, plow drivers, for doing all you can do to keep us safe. Something's definitely off between those co-workers. Clearly not all co-workers are eager to offer support. You need more skill for this than you'd expect.
Shayla didn't even mention that to me at the last meeting, so I was just blindsided by the new policies, but it's fine. They'll get over it. Anyways, how was work for you?